Good day and welcome to another unboxing from AliExpress. I have quite a bit of clothing. The one that I did unbox already is this, but it has a lot of string and thread coming out of it. So I'll just have to touch that one up. And I'm loving the collar. And it does have a tiny little belt. This one that goes on with Velcro, just to neaten it off a little bit. Then another one that I got is this one, much neater. Collar can fold up, I guess. Yes, it can definitely fold up. And then I could make her a little belt or something just to go with that. But yeah, I think I like this one better than the green one. Okay, let me see what else I have in here. All right. Ooh, these are pretty. Little jeans pants. And they look like they have holes and stuff in. Nice little shirt. Comes with boots. That's a bargain. And let's see. I think I'm going to try it on. Velcro at the back. Velcro there too, but not all the way to the bottom, so let me do that. I seriously need to get doll gloves, so this makes it a bit easier. Because the doll's hand hooks into everything it can find. Come on now. There we go. Just do the Velcro. Get the boots on. And I think it came with a hat. Oh yes, it did. Get the little hat on. And it says handmade. Come on. Oh, yeah. I am liking this a lot. Very much so. And with the detail at the back as well. Very smart. Okay. The rest of them are exactly the same, just in different colors. Yep, pretty much in different colors. Got the brown one, another pink. Pink is popular with Barbie. And then a purple one, which just has a white trimming, whereas the others have the same color as what they are in. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, random pair of glasses. I guess they gave it to me for free. Thank you. Yeah, let's put them on Ken. Okay, Ken, you scored some glasses. These are actually my favorite suits. I think I'm going to press pause and then grab another Barbie. I'll be back. Okay, here she is. What's up, girls? Okay, now let's see. Okay, first the pants. Again, with Velcro. Easy enough. Okay, arms backwards so I can put this on. And this doesn't really hook. I like this material. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, I thought there was something missing. Okay, but let's just pretend it's on. My bad. Sorry about that. Also comes with a cap. Let's put the cap on. I'm gonna struggle a bit because her hair's a bit long. But yeah. Okay. But you get what it looks like. Got its little belt. Okay, so imagine if it had a white top on the inside. And if her hair wasn't disturbed. Okay, so the white top, and I just love this. The furry detail is just awesome. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Oh yes, these indeed. Yes, I love these. It is so soft, so elegant. Ties up with Velcro. Okay, let's see, arms to the back. Come on, Bobby, you can do it. Yeah, sort of looks like I'm arresting her in this pose. But no, not. There we go. So pretty. You don't even have to put a shirt underneath. Unless you want it to be like that, then obviously you have to put a shirt on, but fluffy like that, no problem. And it is really so pretty. I really love this. Soft here as well. Just so elegant for a night out. Okay, let's see what we have next. Oh, tracksuit. Now, did I get this for Ken or for her? Somehow I think it's hers. I can just get it out. Just check. I don't know. Oh boy. I'm gonna have a rough one with this. I somehow think this is Ken's. I'll be honest with you. Let's put it on him and see. No Velcro at the back. Oh, Ken. I think you're gonna have to lose your head. Is this for Ken or Barbie? Really? Okay, Ken, sorry about that. Just gonna go off camera for a little bit. No struggle. Just a tiny little bit. Yeah. Okay, so we had an accident. A little bit of an accident, so I sort of think this might be for Barbie. Sorry, Ken. Sorry about that. I'll have to fix you. So let's see if it's perhaps for Barbie. There we go. Sorry, Ken. I apologize. I just cannot remember who I ordered it for. That's the problem. Yeah, I guess it's for Barbie. Let's check the pants. Yes, okay. Yep. And if it wasn't for Barbie, it sure does fit. So it now belongs to Barbie. Yeah, it's definitely for Barbie. Lovely little suit, and I do have boots just like these. So yeah, these go perfectly. Nice little track suit. Yeah, awesome. Okay, I do have more bundles, but now the place really looks messy, and I don't think we want to see the remnants of Ken. So let me put Ken away. I am, however, going to hold on to his legs because I bought shoes. So let me just find out where those shoes are. I'll be back. And here we are. Ken's shoes. Alright, I bought different kinds. I don't know which one will show better on camera. Let's make it the brown, please. So I bought them in white, black, and brown. And please, please fit. Alright, Ken, let's try the one leg. Wow, they are a bit big, but they do fit. Yep, indeed they do. Rather too big than too small. Oh, and these are interesting. These are sandals. Just want to see where my camera is focusing. Oh boy, there we go. Okay. Lost you for a minute there. Nice sandals. And sneakers. Oh boy, they are a bit loose. Wow, these are a bit big. But what am I gonna do? The girls can just put paper or something in there so they can fit. Oh boy. Okay, so I think that was it. Sneakers. Oh, these type of sneakers. So there are two different types of sneakers. Yeah. Okay. All right. Those are those shoes. And did I order Barbie any shoes? Yes, I'm sure I did. Okay, let's just take these. And here we are. I always order them like this because then it's cheaper. Much, much cheaper. All the different kinds. Ooh, and I got flip-flops in them. More flip-flops. This is awesome. Okay, great. And not too much yellow this time, because I don't really have so many yellow clothes. And green as well. Too much green for me is no good. And some more. Ooh, here are the pink ones. The pink one, the purple one that I showed you. Here are the pink ones. And then this one I think I really need to try on. Wow, this is becoming a little bit crowded. Okay, let's just take this off Barbie. Oh dear, she has to lose her head again. Yep, those that are squeamish, just look away. Okay. There we go. Alrighty then, let's check here. Ah, come on. Right, then we have tights. Oh, I guess they could be boots as well. Let's check. You could pretend they were boots, high boots if you wanted, or you could try and put a shoe on. Just try put that one on. Okay, and then Velcro as well. To that. Oh dear. Okay. Ooh, this is actually very Christmassy. I don't know if I'd wear it this way or that way, but I guess it can go that way as well. Very, very cute. Loving it. Let me just see if you can put a boot or anything on with the socks. Yeah, you could. You could definitely put a boot on with it. It would work. Yep. Okay, so there's that one. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, first of all, I see some shoes, some heels, light blue. And then, oh, more heels. Wow. Okay, awesome. Ooh, I'm loving this color. Loving it a lot. Right. As usual, I struggle to open. And I do have scissors, many pairs. Do not feel sorry for me, it's my own fault. Okay. Ooh, I like. And this is so furry. This is really like a bubble jacket. So nice. And the little picture on the shirt. I really cannot see what it says. I don't know if your eyes are better than mine. It could say love. Metal. I love... Oh my goodness. I love metal or music. Okay then. But moving on. Let's put the top on. I have to learn to do this faster if I'm going to do it on camera. Let's see if anything sticks. No. Smooth transition. Smooth. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is a really pretty. And because it's bubbly, it stays closed by itself. You don't even have to put a clip or anything. Just look at that awesome suit. This is a nice set. So pretty. Wow. Really loving this one. Yep. One of my favorites. Oh, it is so soft. I wish you could feel it through the camera. So soft. Okay, let's see what else I have. Okay, so I was really dreading this day because I accidentally ordered way too many suits for Ken. Way too many. Because I forgot that I already had, and then I ordered more. Fabulous. I mean, how many times can Ken get married? But anyway. Ooh, I'm gonna have to iron these though. Look at this. Very smart. So this, I guess, would be a tuxedo. Tuxedo. Let's see if I have any other suits. Looks like a tuxedo again. Same tuxedo. Oh, okay. A suit. A suit. Let's see. I will try them on to see which one is nicer. But basically, they're all tuxedos and suits. Oh, I actually like this better. It feels a little bit more value for money than the other one. Because the other one's very silky. You could tear at any time. Just one hook. And you know how it goes. There's a ladder. So this material is more cottony. Yeah, and I think, yeah, this would be better. So, let me fix Ken. I will fix him. Don't stress. He will be okay. He'll be back to normal. And then I will try them on 2 different Kens. Okay, wait just right there. Well. What do you think? I actually love both of them. This one has such a nice shape and such a nice form. Although, like I said, half of it, the shirt is basically just slip of material. But once it's on, it is so neat. So neat. And for the price you're paying, it doesn't really matter. Now, this young fella, on the other hand, was so difficult to dress. And I'm really not surprised after he saw what I did to that Ken. So, yeah, I think he was a bit nervous. But finally I got him dressed. So this is the suit. It does move a little bit. But all in all, I like the suit's material. I think the suit would actually last longer than the actual tuxedo would. But if the children are careful, I'm sure everything will be okay. Yeah. But for the money you pay for it, absolutely nothing wrong. And like I said, I think I bought way too many. I just gone and lost my mind. Yep, another one. But moving on, and thank you for joining me. I really had fun opening all these up, because it always feels like Christmas when you get parcels. So yes, really loved it. But for those of you going through Christmas, have a great festive season, and I'll see you when I see you. See you next time. Bye.